Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're looking at the S&P 200 market forecast for end of January, 21st of January. So make sure you keep an eye on the market, have a look at it. Also, remember, your support will help my channel. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, okay? So very important. So let's get started on the analysis. Now, quickly, just want to keep you an update. Now, this is the S&P ASX 200 for Australian stock market. Now, as you can see, this high was made back in the major financial crisis about 10 years ago. And that was a resistance point. So this is the highest point, was 6,850. And since then, the last couple of months of 2019, we punched through it, okay? So this is where we are sitting. So very important. Now, it took a while. Since July, it just dropped and moved sideways for a while. Finally punched through that, and the market for the last 2 weeks, since 2020 in January, we have been moving forward, so quite nicely. As I said in the previous video, if it does punch through, that will be going up. So either way, just have the right strategy. So it doesn't really matter. Now, a few things. This weekly chart here, as you can see, the market is up, but today, as of the 21st of January, the market had opened down about 31 points. I will switch to the daily chart soon. And if you look at that, I expect the market to do some sort of pullback, okay, in the next few days, probably. And that will be a good thing to see because the market been running so hard for the last 2 weeks. Now, let's go back to the daily charts quickly and have a look. As you can see here, there is a nice market pullback. Now, for last good 2 weeks, the market been running quite nicely up, okay? So I'm not surprised that the market actually coming back down. Would be good if the market do put some pullback so that we can actually reload or to see where the market will continue. And those high is the high of the previous back in 2007, okay? So they will provide some sort of support. So it would be good to actually watch the market to drop, the next 2 days or next 3 days to see whether this punch through will continue. Okay, this is the first time in the history of ASX 200 actually punch through 7,000 points. So it's a quite significant thing. We topped it at on Monday, which was the highest point was 7,640. Sorry, 7,640. So since then we pull back a bit. Okay, so and how much pullback we will see, but this is a good indication where the market is. We had the bushfires, all those things is gonna affect the entire market. So just make sure you keep an eye on it. Have your risk management strategy. Just don't go buying into the market. Make sure you know what's going on. Check with your financial planners. Check with the right people that you need to talk to. This is just a recording and it's really for educational purpose only. So just be aware of it. I mean, from what I'm looking at, the market next 2 days probably will pull back, and that will be good. Give me some good indication what's going on. So just wanted you to be aware of it. I mean, again, this is a reading charts based on the action and reaction. Until I run some quantitative analysis on it, I mean, won't see the trends where it's going. But based on this, just by pure reading, using technical analysis, I can see the market is likely to do a pullback. So if so, make sure you have your risk management plan put in place, okay? So very important. I was gonna look at the Dow Jones, see if we could find the Dow here to see what's going on with the Dow. Where's my Dow Jones? Dow Jones sitting here. Now, Dow Jones Index, again, this is daily chart, okay? So I'm just looking at it. It's been going up crazy, about to touch 30,000 points. So, but as you can see, this is a daily chart. The bar didn't move that much, but they had the holiday in some sort of a public holiday. I forgot the name of it. Anyway, but that's why the market a bit slow. It's not stretching high though. I mean, we don't have the range. So it would be good to see when everyone's coming back into the marketplace and see what actually happened with Dow Jones. So if there's any significant movement with Dow Jones, it will affect Australia. So just be aware of it. On the weekly chart on Dow Jones, still going quite heavy. So 30,000 will be a interesting point to see if the market reach it. Now, a couple things want to point out. Soft flattening out. Okay, the market is going up, but this is not as fast as what it used to be. So just be aware of it. So keep an eye on the market. Keep posted on the next forecast post. I will be doing that again, and I will speak to you in the next video. Now, next topic, we're going to talk about zero debt. Okay, so it will be a good thing to keep an eye on if you never heard of zero debt. Actually, the next week we're doing investment and saving, but the week after that we'll be doing the zero debt. If you're investing in the stock market, if a company has zero debt, hey, how cool is that? I will talk more about it. So keep posted, subscribe to the channel, support me, and we'll talk to you more. Okay, see you next week.